are going on?
Forecast office on Twitter and Facebook.
After Sunset Report.
This is your weather radio station WXK31 in Wichita Falls, Texas, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma.
See if they do it.
At Wichita Falls,
Alright, after this, okay?
occurs at 6:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, and the sunrise in the morning occurs at 7:11 a.m. Central Standard Time.
What?
Strong southwest winds will impact portions of Jackson, western Kiowa, Tillman, Harmon, Greer, Ford, Wilbarger, and Hardeman counties.
What was that? What was that?
Central Standard Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking showers near Lusty and Vernon, with additional showers out towards Swearingham. Movement was northeast at 50 to 55 miles an hour.
Well,
Hazard, wind
that was my dad outside the window.
45 to 55 miles an hour. Source, radar and automated observations.
yo!
Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Areas of blowing dirt will reduce visibilities for motorists. Locations impacted include Altus, Vernon, Frederick, Hobart, Mangum, Quanah, Hollis, Crowell, Granite, Snyder, Tipton, Blair, Chillicothe, Lusty, El Dorado, Lone Wolf, Mountain Park, Davidson, Roosevelt, and Manitou. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter.
And it's also in
inside a
Tillman
building.
County.
The Wichita Falls Climate Summary.
It's also in Tillman County, and that's like one of the counties next to me.